This video is going to show you how to use Populi to view your students' grades. You're going to sign in, then you're going to click on the Advising tab, which will take you to the page with all your students listed. You're going to click on the student that you want to actually, view their grades. So you're going to click on L Woods, and then this will take you to the overview page, but we actually want to see more of the actual students' grades and actual progress. So you're going to click on L Woods again, and this will take you to the transcript page. Now, on this transcript page, it shows you the GPAs at the very top. So you can see the cumulative GPA on the right, which is the cumulative GPA they currently have at over however many semesters they've taken, the number of credits they've earned, and the number of attempted credits, right? So maybe classes they failed. If you scroll down, the next set of courses you'll see will be the courses they're currently enrolled in. So this student is maybe enrolled in torts and criminal law or contracts, or you'll see their most current semesters. And it'll usually say 0 credits. The grade is in progress. That's because they have not completed the course. As you scroll down more, you'll see an actual grade, right? Where you'll have, okay, 37 here, or 37 for, you'll just start seeing pass. I've passed this course. The lower you go, the more you'll actually see proper grades given. Failed this course right here, because those will be later semesters where the student already completed the course. You can also see the term GPA. So after each term, what was their GPA based on those courses and the cumulative GPA they achieved at that point in time. This allows you to see the progress the student has made from starting in 2014 to 2022. And of course, L Woods is fake, so we don't have actual data here, but this is at least showing you the interface in Populi. But the biggest thing about Populi, and the most confusing thing that you need to understand as an advisor, and you will get a lot of questions from students about this as well, is what's the difference between grades on the lab page versus grades on a page that just says torts and it has the abbreviation of the campus, right? HYB is a hybrid course, KCL is Kern County, SLO is SLO, and MCL is Monterey, right? Well, the lab pages are created mainly just for the professor to interact with the student. So if you click on a lab page, right? So let's say criminal law, contracts lab, whatever. You click on the lab page, it'll have all of the professor's information, the syllabus, right? Any email correspondence the professor has had, as well as the assignments they were required to take. And if the student completed the assignment, you'll be able to see, did they turn it in on time? How many points did they receive? How are they doing in their discussion? You'll be able to see all the grades for their multiple choice, their writing assignments, whatever the professor is having them do will happen on this lab page. So this means the lab page will have a grade. There's none here right now, but the lab page will have some sort of grade, which will be a numerical number. However, this grade is not an official grade. It is literally just the grade that's coming from whatever the professor is doing with the student. The official grades, which are their transcript grades, are going to be those numerical grades in this column behind a course that is titled, I guess, torts or contracts, and it has the campus abbreviation after it, right? So you see the difference. It says torts hybrid versus contracts lab, right? So if it says lab, this grade, whatever is here is not official, but you get to see the progress of what they're doing in the course. But if you see it again, a title that says torts or contracts and has the campus grade, you'll also see the number of credits is whether it's attempted or earned. And if they pass the course, it'll say earned, and then it'll have a numerical grade here. Now, these courses here that don't have the word lab written on it are the actual grades that incorporate the midterm or the final exam, right? So this is actually what's going to go in their transcript and impacts whether they have a cumulative GPA that is high enough to stay off of academic probation.